Listen up. This travel scarf is about to be your new best friend. Imagine this. You're breezing through the airport. Essentials, think like passport, phone, keys, safe and sound, without a bulky purse slowing you down. That's the magic of this scarf. So, here's why you'll love it. It's travel ready and everyday chic. This scarf seamlessly transitions from plane rides to everyday adventures. It's stylish enough for any outfit, and the hidden pocket keeps your essentials close at hand. Ditch the purse. Who needs a bulky bag? This scarf holds everything you need for a day out, keeping your light on your feet. Travel essentials? Always with you. Never lose track of your passport or boarding pass again. The hidden pocket keeps them secure and easily accessible. It's more than a money belt. This scarf is way more comfortable and stylish than a bulky money belt. Plus, it looks great. This scarf is designed by women for women. It is created by US based woman owned small business. So, ditch the purse and embrace the travel scarf. It's the perfect blend of style and convenience for your adventures. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try, but I love it.